Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to remove alarm button in control center using iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and find the control center, then tap. Then after that, in the control center, go to Included Controls and find the alarm, and as you will see, there's a negative sign located on the side of the alarm. Then all you have to do is just tap the negative sign, then click Remove, and your alarm button is now removed on the Included Controls. And if you want to check it in the control center, just drag down the right side of your screen, and as you will see that the alarm button is now removed on the control center. And that's it, we have successfully removed alarm button in control center using iPhone X. If you have a question, can comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!